Hello, my name is Suzanne and I'm with Susie's Handmade Crafts and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to you can use scrap yarn, you can make one in any color you like, and I chose to use the colors for autumn. So we're going to grab a 6mm hook, a weaving needle, and a pair of scissors, and let's get started. Okay, with your crochet hook and your first color of yarn, you're going to need to chain 59. Once you have 59 chains on your hook, we're going to do 2 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Next, you're going to chain 1, and you're going to skip 3 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3. Next, you're going to place 3 double crochets in that next stitch. So it should start to look like this. Okay. Now we're going to chain 1. We're going to skip 3 stitches, and we're going to place 3 double crochet in the 4th stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, into that 4th stitch, 3 double crochets. Chain 1, skip 3 stitches, into that 4th stitch, 3 double crochets. Chain 1, skip 3 stitches, 3 double crochets into that 4th chain. Chain 1, skip 3, 3 double crochets into that 4th. Should start looking like this. Chain 1. We're about halfway down the chain. So you're going to continue skipping 3, and in that 4th chain, your 3 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 3, 3 double crochet into that 4th chain, chain 1, continue along your chains with chain 1, skip 3, 3 double crochet in the 4th chain, and this is the pattern for the rest of your chain. When you get to the end, I'll tell you what we do next. chain 1, chain 1, okay, we have 4 chains left. We're going to skip those 3, and when we get to the last chain, we're going to make our corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 1. That's a lot, but we're going to do it. So we're going to go into that corner, into that last stitch with chain, with double crochet, which will be a chain 3, second double crochet, that's our first triple, chain 3, back down in that same stitch, 3 double crochets, so far it looks like this, but we're not finished. 3 more chains, 3 more double crochets, followed by a chain 1. So we have our corner, and it looks like this. Okay? And after we made that chain 1, what we're going to do now is we're going to skip 3 chains like we did on the other side. We're going up the other side of the chain, and if you look right here, if you count the 3, you're going to end up right on the other side of the other shell. So go right in after you've done the chain 1, go right over here with another 3 double crochet, and then you'll do a chain 1, and you're going to place 3 double crochet into the 4th chain space, which is right in the top of your shell from the other row. And don't forget your chain 1 between each one. And we're going to do this all the way across. When we get to the end of the row, we're going to finish with another corner. So it should start to look like this. Okay, don't forget your chain 1 between each shell. So we're almost to the end again. We're going to complete our last corner. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to that top with 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. Followed by 3 chains. Now we're going to slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. And you have completed the first row of your rectangle tablecloth. Now what you can do is fasten off your color and add another color just in any corner. I like to start in one of the corners, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so grab your next color. I'm going to use gold. I'm going to attach it with a slip stitch into my corner. I'm going to show you how to do another corner. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to show you a corner right here. Okay, I'm going to start over here on this corner with a slip stitch in there. Okay, I'm going to chain up 3. This will be our first double crochet. I'm going to put a total of 3. Okay, now I'm going to chain up 3, and in the same corner I'm going to place 3 more double crochets. Okay, now to get to the other corner I'm just going to place a single space because I just want to get to the other corner. Single chain. So into the next corner we're going to place 3 double crochets. So to square off this corner we're going to place 3 chains and go back into this corner with 3 double crochets. Chain 1. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, now chain 1 like I said and go into your next chain space between the two shells with 3 double crochets. So the pattern is you're going to go into each chain 1 space with your chain 3 double crochets, chain 1 to carry across the top of the 3 double crochets. Then you're going to place 3 double crochets into that chain 1, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. And this is the pattern across. And then when you get to the next corner, in every corner you're going to do a repeat of 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And in the space between the two corners you're going to have a chain 1 space. And each row will grow bigger, and you're going to place a chain 1 between each group of 3. So every row will grow bigger by one group of double crochets. So we'll go around another row. So here we go. So chain 1, I just love fall time and the colors, and it's my favorite time of the year, and I can't wait to decorate and put this out for Halloween and Thanksgiving. So you can start to take on a nice shape.